onion, garlic, and carrots. I'm going to add green onion. And personally, I like more chicken than pork, so I use chicken. Yeah, this is 1 kilo. Oh no, 800 gram. So I put 1 egg. Just be careful sometimes, because when you crack the egg, there is a shell together. Pepper. Salt. And personally, I put little bit olive oil to make it not dry. But I'm not ready yet. I use this one and this one. I'm going to mix it. Okay. So this is it. And then I will put in the marinate little, just maybe 30 minutes, and then I prepare my wrapper. This is my wrapper.